We have 5 indoor plants, orchid, beautiful flower, and this is kalancho, but it's about to die, and I'm helping it to survive. We have wandering Jew, beautiful purple plant, and we have peace lily, and this is red Chinese evergreen. So I'm going to make mini jungle or mini forest right here. So first I'm going to use this rich organic compost. So many worms I found here before. So I put this natural rich organic compost, and I'm going to plant all these 5 of them, one after another. This one, orchid, it's beautiful root here. It will be beautiful forest. Let's start here this way. Let me establish this guy. Let me put a little more. All right, almost done with this. And then I'm going to put red Chinese evergreen right here. It has a beautiful root system, and it's one, but it will have many, and it is very hardy plant. I'm going to put right there, and then next to this I'm going to put this little guy right here. This is wandering Jew, so beautiful purple, and right here. And this one I'm going to put after this. All the root, this like about to die, so I'm going to take one by one, and yeah, so all right here. So this is kalancho, and then I'm going to put next to it some others. I'm going to just cut here, it will do pretty good, and then some more. It's about to die, it looks like that, but let's see how it happens. I'm going to put right here. Now the last one, peace lily. It has beautiful white flower when it blooms. So beautiful root system here. This one, let me cut some of the dead branches right here. Yeah, and then I could have used scissor, but it's okay now. Yeah, so it will survive. It was good now. So I'm going to put it right here. So what happens is that these all plants, they help each other. Maybe we can learn something from this plant, helping each other to save our Mother Earth, to do something good for our environmental crisis, which is happening all over the world because of global warming, climate change crisis. So let's learn something from this plant, and let's work together, and let me see how they do. Oh, I forgot here. This is biochar. This is homemade biochar, by the way. I didn't buy almost anything. This is biochar. So I'm using this as a carbon. This is carbon. So plant need carbon. Also, if we can capture carbon. That's good for, again, good for our Mother Earth, for our environment. So I'm putting all the biochar all around here. So this one right here, and let me see. Is wondering is you, right? What's happening here? All right, so looks good. After I put the biochar, then again I'm using this natural organic rich compost all everywhere. Okay, sounds good. Wow, I like this flower. And now the last one is water. Okay, these plants are almost, they can survive in almost same environment. They don't need much water. If we water them occasionally, they will be okay. And also this water also we harvested from, this is rainwater, by the way. We have rain barrel all around my house. So we harvest. So Sadhu, can you help me please? Yeah, you want to water the plant?
Why does it have a hole?
Oh, I don't know how it happened, but you know, it's like, I think it broke. It was.
Ow.
Oh. Ooh, ooh. Oh, let's put water. Yay!
Is there worms in here?
Yeah, I think. Yeah, it's almost done. Then let me cut right here. This some of the dead branches. Orchid. Hi, orchid.
Me too.
Yeah. So Sadhika, they are taking shower like you. So what can I do? They like shower and they are pretty good. Yoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Now, mini forest, I call it. What do you call it? Mini Amazon? Mini Amazon jungle, or
With this?
let's see. Yeah, this is all jungle. You see, there are so many trees at the same time. How these all grow together in a jungle, how they work holistically in the jungle system. So all these flowers, little vines, and all these plants are working together and doing something good. They are helping our Mother Earth, our natural environment. So we want to do something good for our Mother Nature, Mother Earth. And also, if we sell, if you think financially, if you sell individually this plant, at least this will cost, let's say, few dollars. But I want to create this jungle, and maybe I can sell. If people want to buy, we will sell. And in fact, I have been selling many plants through a non-profit. We have various peace building and youth eco-partnership programs. So the money we use for these programs. So